Well, here I am coming to you vlog style again. I hope you can hear me okay. I'm trying to hold the camera close to me. This camera doesn't have the Rode microphone that captures every breath like the other one does. But anyway, this is my May IPSY box. I already knew what was coming and I was not thrilled. So anyway, all I did is break the tape. They changed their methodology a little bit, and instead of putting like a leaflet, they put in a card. I don't know why. I don't know what the value of this stuff is without it. That sounds really funny, but anyway, I was not terribly thrilled with what I got. Now, I'm sure this oil is going to make up for anything that is lacking. I am like really obsessed with skincare right now. And I really was hoping I would get all skincare, and unfortunately I did not. I got all makeup and one skincare. I just am not thrilled. Now, I know this is a mascara, Il Maquillage. Now, I don't know what this goes for. I don't need mascara. I think I told you guys that when I saw what was going to be coming in May that I went in and I changed my profile. So anyway, this is a big mascara. This is Icon High Volume and Intense Curl Mascara, made in Italy. So it's a big giant tube of mascara. That's always nice. These are lip liners, and they're by Illamasqua. One of them, I left the plastic on because I'm not sure I'm going to keep these. I might just give these away, but I don't know. I have to look at them. But they're in Lust and Medea. Yeah, I mean, they look almost identical. Let me see if there's really any difference. No, there is no appreciable difference on these. So, yeah, I think I'll probably give one away. Or give both away. Anyway, and then I got Tokyo Milk lip gloss. I just did a lip purge, which is taking me forever to edit just because it's an hour long. But this is actually a welcome addition, and I think I will like this. This is like a clear gloss. Let me pull this out. It's called Margot Elena. You can see it on my hand. It's definitely clear. Then there is a palette. And this is by Wander Beauty, which is a cruelty-free company. Okay, so here's the palette. Wow. Yeah, I think this is going to be a keeper. I remember seeing it and thinking, that's not so great. I don't want that. But these are all shimmers. And it's nicer than I thought it was going to be. There is a champagne color, and that's all shimmer. And then there's a pink one called Sea Salt. That's much pinker than it's showing in the camera lens. And then there is a golden reef, which is much bronzier than it shows up. Let's see if I can get these colors to show up better if I get real close. Sorta, kinda. Sorta, kinda. Anyway, then this is the matte color. Get in real close to that. Called Sand Dollar. And then there's Seafoam, which is very, very green shimmer. And then there's a blue shimmer. Now, I'm not typically a shimmery girl, but I did give all of my real shimmery stuff away, so I think I will keep this and actually use it. And finally, there is a face oil by Face Hero, and it says powerful and protective. I don't know why it's protective. This is the Face Hero oil. Let's see if I can hold it so you can see it a little bit better. Okay. And it says powerful and protective face oil. It's a big size. Let's see, how many ounces are you? 1 fluid ounce, but the bottle is like very hefty and definitely like not fooling around here. It's got a lot of oils in it, obviously. It's an oil. Almond oil is the first one. I don't mind the palettes because I have a very old aging palette collection. And I'm pretty sure, I already threw one away. I'm pretty sure that as I use them, they're going to be not doing so hot. But I'm not really thrilled. Like, I could be a lot happier. I wish that I don't know. I wish they enclosed a card that had the prices like usual. I wish they gave me more skincare. I didn't really need lip liners or mascara. I always can use one of these little lip glosses because I don't have... Actually, tossed out a couple of my clear lip glosses that I had that were old. So this actually will fill the void for that. I like the face oil. I do like the palette. I'm just not wild about these things. Like, give me more skincare and less makeup. So anyway, I'm hoping that June will be better because there is a CEO cream and I would like to get that. But I am enjoying the CEO serum, and so I would love to get the CEO face cream. So anyway, and I did change my profile. Know this, guys. If you are an IPSY subscriber, they used a different type of search engine. So what they've done is they've changed the profile questions, and pretty much all of mine said always on them, like always send me mascara, always send me lip liner, always. And so I had to go in, as soon as I saw this box online, I went and I changed my profile so that it says rarely on a lot of things, like lip liners, mascara, stuff like that, and always on skincare stuff. So anyway, that is it. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like it, please give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you got. If you got something different, maybe you are the lucky duck who got skincare stuff, more skincare stuff than just this face oil. And I'm not enraptured by this box. I'm just not. I do like the palette. I do like the lip liner. I say liner instead of liners because look at how alike they are. I'll try the mascara. This feels very hefty, but that won't get tried for a while because I have other stuff in front of that, like other mascaras. So, I don't know. Don't forget, go and change your profile, or at least look at your profile, because just about everything says always on it now. So you have to go in and change that. So anyway, thank you for watching. Let me know if you got something different than I did. I would love to hear what everybody got, and because the boxes are different. They're not always the same. They're different for everybody. So, let me know what you got. Luckily, IPSY does seem to still watch what your profile is, except they went and made everything always on my profile. So thank you, and have a beautiful evening. Good night.